Hey guys, today we're gonna play some Minecraft. Oh, bro, I still haven't added. It's a lack of Minecraft, by the way, though. Anyways, enjoy this video and have fun. Wait lang, let me turn on my Wi-Fi. Don't go yet. Wait, hold up, I'm just gonna turn on the Wi-Fi. Check out the other voices in the back if you can hear it. Anyways, I'm not really sure.
Oh.
AC. Bonus chest. If this gonna join, bro. I don't know if he's gonna join or not. I guess, bro. But I disconnected. Here's my sister. Jay, are you recording? Guys, we found a village. Turn on your mic.
Yeah, we found the village. Come here, let's go.
Let's go. It's gonna be babagal. I'm gonna get the pumpkin. Go to the village, okay? If you find the diamond, give it to me. We're gonna share the diamond.
If it's dalawa.
If it's dalawa. If it's three, I take two because I'm the older one. Well, you can make a shovel out of it. Still make things, and I can make a it's fine. Okay, fine.
There's the ads.
Okay, wait. Let me get
Find
this.
the village.
If there's an iron golem, give it to me, okay?
What's an iron golem?
The iron thing. My sister doesn't really play that much of Minecraft.
Bro, we're playing.
Oh.
Yeah.
But why are you killing sheep? They already have bed in the village. You don't need a bed.
Look, there's a villager.
See, there's a village. I see.
I'm gonna kill their Oh, this villager hat. I'm gonna hide in some diamond.
If you, do you have a blacksmith? Blacksmith?
Bro, why is this hurt?
Do you have blacksmith?
Sabi ko sa iyo, yan
Chichi, may blacksmith ka ba?
Ano?
May blacksmith ba dito?
Bro.
Do you have black? Is there blacksmith? Oh, there's the iron golem. No, I don't have bahay. This is his bago.
No, his
Okay, let me.
bahay. I'm just gonna find it.
Which one? The villager?
I
Ring the
don't
bell.
have
Then
it.
ring the bell. Ring the bell and everyone will go inside. I bet this video can win the same number of likes.
Where's the bell kasi?
Bro.
Oh, let's make a house na lang.
Is the iron golem chasing me?
Can I just get the 2 beds?
Ow!
Which are you?
I'm fighting an iron golem. Don't Hey, sorry. Don't attack the iron golem. He's gonna attack you, bro. Don't kill my sister.
Don't kill it.
Oh, damn.
Hell nah.
Oh.
Let me help.
Ow!
Where are you?
Bug die, bro.
Where's the village
Quickly.
again?
Haha, you can't reach me. Don't go. I'm gonna kill him. Yes, I killed him, finally. I got some iron. And there's the lava, so I'm gonna give you one.
Oh my god.
Oh! Why did you leave the game, bro?
Ano kasi?
Kasi, yeah. Nearly.
So, di ba Lola's test is gonna come?
Yeah, but just don't say to the others. Finally.
Okay, I'm just gonna turn.
Is there any chest in here? Bruh. Of course there's no chest.
It's okay.
Mm,
Why are the village so small?
because, bruh.
So
What is that
much.
ad? I kind of.
I'm gonna run on here. It's okay.
Pah!
It's okay.
Why did that ad just pop out, dude?
Spaghetti pababa.
Stop, Chichi. Don't be maingay. It's my video.
Spaghetti pabaas, pabaas, pabaas.
What about I speak into video? Hello guys, this is Aggie Chichi, and I don't even care.
That's my brother. He's so nice.
I found the cave. Chichi, I found the cave.
Spaghetti
Get 2 beds. I found the cave.
I
This is
want to
gonna be
get
our bye.
over. Where's the village again?
Bro, wait lang. Paldo. Wait lang. Do you have pickaxe? Can I borrow first? Use your map. Go to me. Just use your map, Chichi. Di ba you have map? No, that's the wrong one. Turn a little bit to the left. To the left. Hey, right. Wait lang. Bird. Immediate this knock off kasi eh. Just ignore the thing and that's just TV going on. My Lola was watching, but then she forgot to turn it off. Yeah. She says that's what makes her sleep.
Wait.
She says, I don't know, man.
Moving.
Cut one, yeah. I'm gonna get some more torches for our base cave.
Wait, I have a torch.
For a cave base. I'm getting more torches for our cave base. Wait, just ignore. Oh, some seeds. He's joking. I'm gonna get it. They have fish. No, bro, you're kidding me.
Sinabihan ka na nga maganda, ayaw mo pa.
Tama na, huwag ka na mag-comment.
Ay, di
They have pickaxe, Chichi.
Talagang paladero ang Kuya Miguel mo. At saka hindi ba,
Found the cave, but I forgot where is it.
kanyang
I think it was this one. Yeah, this one.
Nay, ganda rin po. Bakit po pareho tayo maganda, no? The best ka talaga, Nay. Maraming salamat po, ha. Sige na po, alis na po ako. Uwi rin po ako maaga para sabay-sabay tayo makakain. Teka, Nay, galunggong na naman ulam mamaya.
Why is there a zombie?
galunggong na pinubuhay
Are you kidding me? There's a zombie.
At saka may kasamang aruga.
So you order? I'm gonna get some hay.
Okay, get it. We're gonna make some bread. But wait, what? Grab to my store. It's still.
You want me to get madami?
I think there's some zombie in here.
Para sa therapy mo.
Kahanap na rin po ako ng mga exercises para makatulong sa...
This is the biggest room I've ever seen, bro. Get me some more torches. There's more. What the hell? Why is there some... Bro, why is there so many? Paldo tayo.
Namatay.
Ika? Ika o ako? Sino nabatay?
Yung mother nila, si Mami Isabel. Mama Isabel.
Tay, kumuha ka ng dalawang bed. Yeah, bed.
Yeah,
How many?
dalawa.
Okay, I have the
I
yellow
will
one.
find you.
I called the yellow one, okay?
Let me just...
Okay,
Yeah,
guys.
I found you.
Oh, give me one bed, the yellow one. And give me your pickaxe, we're gonna get some stone. And plus, I found a zombie in there, so we have to be quick. Bro, are you kidding me? This is
But I cannot
frustrating.
even give it to you. Get
Come
your
on.
own bed.
You can. Hold it. Or get the white one na lang. Quickly.
Ayaw nga. Mami.
Bruh.
Just get your bed.
Okay, wait lang. Wait lang, let me try. Give me your tablet. Let me
See,
try.
look.
The white one.
Ayaw nga, Mami.
If it gives, I'm gonna hit you. Oh, tingnan mo. Dito na lang tayo tumulog muna.
Look, there's so
We're gonna sleep here na lang. Here.
The zombie's gonna come.
No, nobody is. Wait lang. Make a room. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Hey, sir, but don't go too deep. There's a zombie in there. I saw. I cannot kill it because my pickaxe breaks.
The zombie don't like me.
Gigi, just sleep, bro.
Marisa, Ivy,
We can't. There's no space.
may sasabihin ako sa inyo. Pero huwag siya kayo mag-
Just sleep anywhere at this point.
Ayaw nga.